Imagine the thrill of exploring the unknown, tasting exotic cuisines, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Welcome, fellow adventurers and gastronomes, to the Travel, Tour and Dine YouTube channel, the ultimate haven for globe wanderers, culinary explorers, and vacation dreamers. We are your digital compass, guiding you through uncharted territories, tantalizing your taste buds with global delicacies, and helping you paint your dream vacation canvas. We are your travel companions, your culinary tour guides, and your adventure inspirers. We believe in making every journey memorable, every meal remarkable, and every destination enchanting. In the vast landscape of travel and food, we are your beacon of inspiration, your roadmap to extraordinary adventures, and your passport to irresistible tastes. Our mission is to fuel your wanderlust, satisfy your food cravings, and help you create unforgettable travel memories. Today we'll embark on a journey through the stunning city of Paris, France. We will highlight 5 must-do activities, each offering unique experiences and a taste of French culture. So buckle up and prepare for a thrilling virtual voyage. Destination 1, the iconic Eiffel Tower. Standing majestically in the city of love, Paris, the Eiffel Tower's beauty is awe-inspiring. This sculptural masterpiece, erected in 1889, stretches up into the sky, a beacon of France's cultural heritage. Known globally for its incredible panoramic views of the city, the Eiffel Tower's magnetic allure draws millions of visitors each year. Its intricately designed iron latticework is a testament to human engineering. As the sun sets, experience the tower light up, painting the skyline with a dazzling spectacle. After a day of sightseeing, dine at the famous Le Jules Verne, a Michelin-starred restaurant nestled in the tower itself. Next, destination 2, the vast Louvre Museum. Nestled in the heart of Paris, this monumental museum captures the soul of the city with its unrivaled collection. Housing an impressive array of art, it boasts over 35,000 works, including masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. Its historical artifacts span from prehistory to the 21st century, offering a comprehensive glimpse into human civilization. This cultural haven attracts millions of art and history lovers annually. In close proximity is the renowned Le Comptoir du Relais, where you can indulge in classic French cuisine. Moving on to destination 3, the charming district of Montmartre. As you wander along its quaint cobbled streets, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time into the heart of bohemian Paris. Once it was a hub artist, their studios lining the streets, creating a vibrant and unique atmosphere. Even today, the essence of creativity lingers in the air, a testament to the district's rich artistic heritage. Every corner of this charming district tells a story, whisking you away an enchanting historical journey. For a delightful culinary experience that echoes the authentic French cuisine, make sure to visit Le Consulat. This quaint little restaurant, tucked away in a corner, carries with itself a rich and fascinating history, serving as a testament to the gastronomic traditions of France. Destination 4 brings us to the romantic Seine River. This historic river, winding its way through the heart of Paris, is a testament to the city's timeless charm. Its enchanting cruises allow visitors to see other famous landmarks, like the Notre Dame Cathedral and Louvre Museum, from a unique perspective. The Seine River isn't just about sightseeing, it's the lifeblood of Paris, providing a serene backdrop for countless love stories. As day turns into night, Paris transforms into the city of lights, illuminating the river with a magical glow. After a day of exploring, treat yourself to a delightful dinner at Les Ombres, a restaurant offering stunning views of the Eiffel Tower. Finally, destination 5, the vibrant streets of Paris. Enveloped in rich history, Paris is a melting pot of global cultures, which is wonderfully echoed in its gastronomic landscape. From hole-in-the-wall bakeries that serve crusty baguettes to bustling food markets showcasing the finest French produce, the city is a true food lover's paradise. Walk through the picturesque streets, take in the intoxicating scents of freshly brewed coffee and rich chocolate croissants. Each neighborhood brings a unique flavor, a different delicacy waiting to be discovered. To cap off your adventure, dine at L'Ambroisie, one of the world's best restaurants, located in the heart of Paris. So concludes our virtual exploration of 5 amazing activities and their must-try culinary spots in the heart of Paris. We traveled through the crevices of the city, unveiling its hidden gems and sumptuous food joints, leaving no stone unturned. Remember, as the famous saying goes, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. As we strolled through the enchanting streets of Paris, we found ourselves immersed in its rich cultural heritage. We unveiled timeless art, tasted world-renowned cuisine, and experienced the romantic spirit that encapsulates this city. Each activity presented a new tale, a story of passion, creativity, and history, while each dining spot served a taste of Paris on a plate, a unique blend of traditional flavors and modern culinary techniques. Now, before we part ways, let's talk about how this journey can continue. If you enjoyed this video, found it informative and enriching, we request you to show your love by giving it a thumbs up. Your thumbs up encourages us, motivates us to keep curating such engaging content. But that's not all. We'd love to, from you, your travel anecdotes, your memorable experiences, or the destinations you're yearning to explore next. Your feedback helps us understand your preferences better, which in turn helps us create content tailored just for you. So don't hesitate, leave a comment below. Oh, and there's one more thing. Do you want to stay updated with our latest adventures? Just hit the subscribe button. Here at Travel Tour and Dine, we're all about making your travel dreams come true one at a time. So until we meet again, keep exploring, keep sampling, and keep creating unforgettable memories. Because as we've learned, travel isn't just about seeing new places. It's about experiencing them, tasting them, and above all, living them.